Hello everybody, today I am going to say proof of x plus y whole cube, formula in the maths. X plus y whole cube, it is the formula. Proof, now I will be explaining. Let's start the proof and its example after the proof. So, first step is x plus y whole cube. We can write it as x plus y whole square into x plus y. X plus y whole cube we can write as x plus y whole square into x plus y. X plus y whole square into x plus y. Again it will be x plus y whole cube. We can write like this. Then x plus y whole square. This we can treat as a plus b whole square. The formula for a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula for the a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. Now here think x as a and y as b. A square. So here it will be x square. X square plus 2ab. That is 2 into a into b. 2 into a is x here. B is y. Plus y square, that is b square. B square. Here b is y, so we have to write y square. X plus y whole square we can write as x square plus 2xy plus y square. Again as it is x plus y. Here there is a multiplication. In middle, if there is no sign, then we can think it is a multiplication. So we have to multiply x square plus 2xy plus y square with x plus y as given here. So multiply individual terms, that is x with full and next is y with full. X square plus 2xy plus y square. X into same this x square plus 2xy plus y square. We are multiplying x plus y into x square plus 2xy plus y square. So x plus y, x is multiplied here, plus symbol is there, so plus. Again now multiplication with y into same x square plus 2xy plus y square. Yeah, now we have to solve this. Here x into whole part it is there, x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now here you have to multiply each of its term, that is individual. X into x square, x into 2xy and x into y square. You have to multiply, then we will get the answer here. And after the addition symbol there is another step, that is multiplication of y with each term. Y into x square, y into 2xy, y into y square. We have to multiply. Yeah, now let's do. X into x square, it is x power 3 or x cube. X into x square, x cube plus is there, so plus x into 2xy. X into 2xy, that is there are 2x, x, so it will become x square, 2x square and remaining y. So x cube plus 2x square y plus sign is there, so plus, and the next x into y square, last term is y square, x into y square, x y square. This is the step that we got when we multiplied x into x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now with y plus, as in middle plus sign is there. Here this plus sign plus y into x square, y x square, y into x square, y x square plus sign again plus y into 2xy. Here we have done x into 2xy. Now y into 2xy. y into 2xy. Here 2 y's are there, y, y. So 2x will be, it will be remaining same. Y into y is y square. So 2x y square. Same here also 2 x's are there. So x, 2y will be remaining same. X into x is x square. So 2x square y. Here 2x y square. 2x y square plus y into y square. Y into y square. That is y cube. Here x into x square, x cube. Here y into y square, it is y cube. Yeah. Here the next step will be, you have to add the all. Since there are all the addition symbols, you have to add x cube. There is no another x cube to add. So write as it is, x cube plus 2x square y, 2x square y. Another we have to search here, 2x square. For x square is there. So here for x square is there and y is there. Plus x square y or yx square. We can write this x square y or yx square. Anything is okay here. 2x is there, so we have taken 2x square. Here the coefficient is 1. X square y is common. So write it here. X square y. In middle addition is there. So add the numerical coefficients. That is beside the variable. Here the variables are x square y. So we have to add the numbers which is beside of the variable. 2 plus 1. That is 3. We have to write beside of the variable. Again x square y. So 2x square y plus 1x square y is 3x square y. Right here. 3x square y. Yeah, next is xy square. xy square. For y square is there. So we can take 2xy square plus 2xy square. Yeah, as in the below, that is 3x square y. If there is no numerical coefficient, we can keep 1 xy square plus 2xy square. As it is, write the variable xy square, add the numerical coefficients 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3xy square plus 3xy square. And last, this 2x square y and x square y has completed. Xy square and 2xy square also completed here. And the last is remaining is y cube. There is no another to add the another y cube. So write as it is, y cube. Yeah. This is the formula here. X cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube is the formula of the x plus y whole cube. We can simplify more. There are two formulas for the x plus y whole cube. Two formulas. Now we have to simplify. Write as it is x cube and y cube. Okay. Y cube also same as it is we have to write. Here we have to take common. We can take as 3xy as common. We can take 3xy in the board. That is 3x square y plus 3xy square. We can take common as 3xy. In 3xy, we have to choose both. That is addition in middle. We have to write both of the letters so that it becomes satisfied. 3xy in first term. Y only 1. Here also y only 1 satisfied. 3 satisfied. 1x is there here. Here 2x is there. So we have to multiply one more x. That is x here. So that it becomes 3x square y. 3x into x square and y. Nothing is there. Now for the second one, 3x is there satisfied. Here only 1 y. Here 2 y's. More 1 y we need to multiply. So write y here, x plus y. 3xy into x plus y. 3xy into x. 3x square y plus y is there. 3x, y into y square. Yeah, we got this. Now we have to write same as it is here. X cube plus 3xy into x plus y cube. These are the two formulas. This is the first formula. This is the second formula. By simplifying the first formula, we will get the second formula. Now let's see an example based on this. Now let's see the example. We know that the formula for the x plus y whole cube is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y cube. This is the formula for the x plus y whole cube as we proved below. This is the second formula I am taking. So let's see an example on this. Find the 2 plus 3 whole cube. Find the value of 2 plus 3 whole cube. So it is in the form of x plus y whole cube. We can take x as 2 and y as 3. Let's start. 2 plus 3 whole cube. Here x is 2 and y is 3. So LHS is equals to RHS we have to prove. Then the x plus y whole cube is equals to this formula will be correct. Let's start. X cube, that is 2 cube plus 3xy. X is 2. 3 into 2 into y is 3. X plus y, 2 plus 3 plus y cube. Y is 3. So 3 cube. Here 2 cube. 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Plus multiply 3 into 2 into 3. Here full multiplication is there. 3 2s are 6. Again 6 into 3. 18. Into 2 plus 3. It is 5. Plus 27. 8 plus 18 5s are. It is 90 plus 27, which is 125. The RHS side, that is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube, that is RHS is 125. Now we have to satisfy the LHS. LHS is 2 plus 3 whole cube. 2 plus 3 whole cube, that is 2 plus 3 is 5 whole cube, which is 125. The LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS, that is 125 is equals to 125. Hence this formula is correct. If we substitute the same values in the first formula, that is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, the answer will be 125 and 125. This is an second formula which is easy to multiply the numbers. The first one will be some hard to multiply. So this is the proof and example for the x plus y whole cube. Thank you.